Hello everybody, thanks for tuning in. We're doing a B2B PS5 HDMI port replacement. Some good old DIY. Well, that's not good. Some major displacement. We'll have to clean that up and add some more liquid metal. Update the client. Okay, we got it cleaned up. Just gotta add more compound. And go ahead and actually do the repair job. There we go. And now we can actually fix it. More. Stick in the motherfucker. That side does not want to clear, man. Well, that hole does not want to clear. And it looks like someone already replaced the port on this once. There we go. Fun times. We got 2 missing components and what, 2 or 3 rip pads? Alright, we've replaced the missing Zener diode, missing 0201. We just gotta see if we need some jumpers. I'm pretty sure we'll need at least one. Alright, now we just gotta secure the post. Alright, we are back in action. Be sure to smash that like button, drop a comment, hit that bell notification so you don't miss any new videos, and be sure to subscribe. It is Steve with SBL Games. Come on, show that Sony symbol. Yay! Thanks again for tuning in.